This is the Villa Montepulciano d'Abruzzo from 2015 in the Abruzzo region of Italy. There is so much fruit going on in this wine. It's got this sort of rustic berry thing going on, wild cherries, dark raspberries, sort of a plum flavor too, all working in sort of a fruit bowl together in a really complex way, but really melded together nicely too. There's a sweet spice thing going on, sort of a licorice, anise flavor, you know, think Good and Plenty's or sort of Italian biscotti or sort of Pizzelle flavor. Not all that sweetness, but definitely that really intense sort of sweet spiciness to the wine that translates and works beautifully in combination with this fruit bowl thing. There's a gorgeous sort of jewel tone purple to this wine as well. It's kind of beautiful to look at. Don't spill it on your white couch. Think about all the perfect Southern Italian dishes this is going to pair beautifully with. That sort of fennelly spice thing going on here is going to be great with sweet sausage. That really juicy red fruit is going to contrast really lovely with the spicy sausage. You've got your choice here. Sausage, peppers, and onions are going to be the perfect foil for this juicy, sweet wine. It's going to be fantastic with a red sauce bake, red sauce pizza, especially with sausage on it. Sausage, it's great. Perfect with this wine. You're gonna love it. Cheers.